Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha and today we are going to talk about passive income investing. In this video, we cover which stock are we buying, how much per share, and how much are we investing that month. And then we calculate the dividend per share at the end. And then I also show you the all how to read the chart and where to get certain information on the chart. So let's see. We are investing for April 2026. So keep watching so you can see which stock I'm investing in this month. So our regular things is if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and thank you for your support. Things are our regular information before we choose which stock are we buying this month. So the thing is which stocks are we investing in this month. So before we go there, we have to check the account. This is always a reminder to let you know what account is appropriate for this type of investing, which is passive income investing. So for my case, I use TFSA, which help you grow your money without paying tax, and you can remove them anytime you want. So there was a time I had already built it and then I close it and then restart it again. So this is the easiest account and it's more flexible. Another one is RRSP, especially if you're buying from the US, like you're buying dividend stock from the US, you want to avoid withholding taxes on those dividends pays. So other people can use RRSP, avoiding withholding tax on US dividend stocks. Another part is strategy used for investing. For me, I buy and hold and collect dividend on a regular basis, which is a long-term strategy. So you don't worry about short-term price movement. So it can go up and down, but you have a solid reason why you invest in this particular company, and maybe it's for diversification, maybe because the company has a long history of success, the earnings or whatever it is that make you choose this company. So for me, I buy and hold and collect dividend on a regular basis. So what if price goes down, you hold it. I hold it. Maybe for you, you might try to sell it because you fear that the company might go bankrupt and you don't want to lose your money. So it depends. Depend with individual strategies and why they are investing and what is their risk tolerance, right? Buy more shares to increase number of share owns. So the more shares you have, the more income you will get. So every time you get the opportunity to buy more, you buy more so you can increase your income. So now let's see what are other things. Move your money. Choose instant deposit. It's always like really quick, 5 minutes or even less than 5 minutes, 2 seconds, whatever. Then you have your money and you can decide which stock you're buying. Save your debit card there, not with CIBC. I'm just giving an example. So now let's see which stocks are we investing in this month. And the selection take me to Forties. So Forties, we are not going to talk more about what is all this company about because I would want to make a separate video to cover that so you can see maybe is it a company that is worth my money? Can I lose my money if I put my money in this company? So this is what it means that you have to go and do your own due diligence and then see it for yourself if this company is good for you or not. Forties. So Forties is the company that I'm buying in the month of April that we are doing today. So this month, Forties. Fortis is a utility company, actually, to give you like a small introduction, and then later on we can make a full video on why I invest in Fortis. FTS, because I do both passive and active investing. So passive investing, maybe you're buying ETF, you don't need to do much of it. But if you're buying individual companies, you need to do like more research and all those stuff. Yeah. So the price is 82.43. So how many shares can you buy? How many shares and dividend can you get here? Let's say our capital is just this little and we have 249. It's really much. 249 and we want to buy 40s. Are we going to only buy 2 shares, 3 shares, or whatever we can afford at this moment? So the FTS.TO is the symbol for 40s and is 82.43. So now let's calculate how many shares, numbers of shares that you can earn. In this case, 249 divided by 82.43. So sometime you give a room because you use the hash price, because that is the price that the sellers are willing to give you. So now let's see. On a monthly basis, you only buy shares. And for shares 3, you only buy shares, 3 shares for that kind of money, right? And dividend per share is 0.64, which is 64 cents. And this case is not monthly, is per share, 1 share, right? 64 cents, and it's quarterly because this is individual company is. So let's see how much. So if you get that, you get 1.94 quarterly if you have only 3 shares. And then monthly, if you divide that amount by 3, so you get 0.64, just exactly like what we had there, up there. So that's the dividend that you will be getting monthly for investing 249 and 40s. So is it worth it? Do you think your money is just sitting there collecting dust? Or can you put your money in a different kind of investment that you feel like can give you more money? So these are individual decisions or what people are comfortable doing. So this is more passive for me. So I will buy and hope to buy more the more price when the price goes down, and keep studying about Forties and what is their business doing and where are they heading and future plant, they have any new product, things like that, because those things really influence the price and also dividend. So those are the things. So now let's look at Forties. If you look at Forties here, you also want to know if it's a big company, right? So if you want to know if a company is a big company, you check the market cap. So market cap is calculated by taking the share price of that company times the outstanding shares that the company have in the public market that are available that time. So if you multiply those one, so you take this number and you multiply it with this one, you will get this number. So we show you how big this company is. So market cap is 41.35 billion. So it's a big company. And if we study more later on or about Forties, we will learn that it has been here for a while and is one of the dividend kings. So they have been paying dividend for a while and they are a stable company. So that is it. So dividend is here, dips. So 6.4, just like the way I presented before. So this information is only good when you're buying Forties for capital gains. So like see, you can see the range, the lower it went last time it's 64, and then now it's at 82. It's also important too for people who are buying for passive income, because at this point you could buy more shares that will increase your income that you are earning from 40s. So, and then the trend is just up and down and is upward trajectory. So that is it for the 40s. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and I will appreciate your business. Thank you for supporting and see you next time.